So we've got here a Wisteria bonsai, which is awesome enough, and we got it over a rock, which makes it even better. You can see how we did this one. It forked when we were going to repot it, so we have it tied down. This thing is tied under the rock there. Well, it was tied for about a year. Now it's hung firm, going through this rock all the way up through the fork there. You see some nice more roots trying to come on down. See how well bonded down there. It's always obviously good when you got moss going from the soil to the roots, the exposed roots, to the rock and everything between. Shows great health. It's really happy. But this is a Wisteria bonsai, which obviously means that it's going to have these wild purple flowers, almost like a lilac, but not quite as big, and they don't smell at all. But it hangs. This is usually a vine that crawls on top of other stuff. At least it is by me in New York, in the Northeast U.S. here. And it's going to have these things like you could see right here, where it curls around itself a little bit sometimes, but this is going to hang with these beautiful purpley, light purple, kind of whitish purple flowers on. You can see a little bit over here. That's kind of cool. The greenhouse gets it, the greenhouse gets it back into its flowering place, but this is an awesome tree. Really one of a kind. I'm growing one personally for myself, a cutting off of this one actually, that is it's about that big. It's not quite as monstrous yet, but I'm hoping to get this one because I can't hold on to this one. This one's for you. It's in the link. The link is in the comments in the description. If you want to shop this exact Wisteria bonsai tree that's like 40 inches tall, click the link, check it out.